Oh, I love talking about fashion, especially accessorizing fashion, because it's what makes something expected even that much more unique. And what's in front of me right now is two different lines of mine, my brand new shoe line and my line called Embellish, which of course is jewelry. And this is where I always say you get a chance to truly pop when it comes to the sparkle. Now let me just explain something first. The most important thing that anyone sees when you're walking down the aisle is you. The second thing that you really pay attention to is of course the gown. But the accessories are really important. So from the bottom up, you should have every opportunity to sparkle. Now my shoe line gives you that chance to do just that. Whether you're wearing a nude or an off-white or a white shoe, the heels come in various heights, and of course the sparkle could be added to the back of the shoe. It could be also in the lace cut along the side of it. The sparkle could be throughout. But I want to give you some important notes when picking your shoes. You want to wear a shoe that you can walk in, that you feel comfortable in. And whatever shoe that you choose to pick, I want you to go home, and I really do want you to walk around the house for quite a while. Then take them off, a couple days later, wear them again. So many times I've met brides that are wearing the pair of shoes for the very first time they walk down the aisle, and it's a disaster. So please make sure you find a comfortable shoe that looks amazing in your overall style. Again, you can add color, you can add sparkle, you can add glamour, however you choose, because to me, one of the most favorite moments is that when you're sitting and that pop of shoe comes out at the bottom of your dress and on the hemline, it adds that sort of unexpected moment for you. So check out my line and have fun with looking for it. The heel heights vary, the colors, the tones, the amount of sparkle, a little or a lot, including right down to the sneaker which says bride on it. So if you get a little tired towards the end of the night, you can wear something really comfortable. One last tip on shoes. When getting your dress altered, you have to bring the shoe that you're going to wear when you get your dress altered so it fits the perfect hem length. So moving on to sparkle in accessories for jewelry. I find sometimes that brides tend to go either too much or not enough. There's kind of a happy middle right there. You want to make sure, depending on the silhouette of your dress, how you're wearing your jewelry. Now, a long drop earring may work with no straps, and if you have straps, a shorter length or a stud will be perfect. You'll notice that the necklaces, some are very modest and some are very over the top. You want to make sure that your sparkle is not competing with you, nor is it competing with your dress. Now, when is too much too much? Do you need to have a necklace, a pair of earrings, and a bracelet? No. Sometimes one, if not maybe just two, is enough. You can wear a necklace with no earrings. You can also wear stacked bracelets to give you a little bit of extra sparkle. But I want you to remember something. Color tone is important. You're going to notice here the silver with the pearl, which is a great accent, very classic. Rose color is in right now, so I've embraced it into all of the accessories right down to the bangles. And silver and crystal will always remain classic as well. So don't overdo it. Look spectacular. From your shoes to your jewelry will make you who you are, but you will walk down the aisle in style, I promise.